Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ayan, and for today's video I'm gonna show you how to cook Filipino chicken wings adobo. For the ingredients, we have the cooking oil, we have the Filipino white vinegar, we have the Filipino soy sauce, we have some minced garlic in here, onions, chicken wings, and this is only optional if you want your chicken adobo to be spicy. I have some Asian peppers in here. So first thing you want to do is you want to heat your pan with cooking oil. Not too much, only about 1 tablespoon. I will give you the exact measurements in the description below, so you make sure you check it out. So once your pan is ready, you can put the onions first. I like to put the onions first so I know that my garlic wouldn't burn. So put your onions first, saute it until it's until the color is lightened up, or when it softens up. Okay, next, once your onions are ready, you can now put your garlic. You can use 1 teaspoon of garlic in here and saute it. Saute your garlic until it's lightly brown. Okay, now you can add your chicken wings in there. Wait for it to cook for a little bit. Now we can add our soy sauce. I'm using 1 cup of soy sauce for this adobo because my family likes it with a little bit of juice in it. Usually our adobo, when we make it, it's dry, but my husband loves it with a little bit of juice in it. So the reason why you want to put your soy sauce on there right now is because you want the chicken to absorb the flavor. So we will just let that simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, so while we're waiting for our chicken to simmer, I also forgot to tell you guys that I used the bay leaves. I only need about like 2 to 3 pieces of it to add into my adobo. And also we have the pure ground black pepper. You can use, you can also use the peppercorn, but it's optional, whatever you want to use. So now it's the soy sauce is already boiling, so we can start stirring it so the chicken will get all the soy sauce. You know, you want to make sure that each of them are covered in soy sauce. So okay, and then now we can wait until it's boiling. Let it simmer again for about another 10 minutes. and then we can add the vinegar in it. Okay, so now our chicken is ready. We can add the vinegar in it. So just use half cup of vinegar. Don't stir it, because I don't know if it's true, but they said if you stir it, it's gonna like get really sour. So you just want to kind of like let it simmer for a little while, for maybe about 10 minutes, and then you can start stirring it. And also now you can add your bay leaves. So I only have 2 pieces in here. You just want to put like one in the middle and then one in here. And then you can put your pepper. There you go. It's your own call however or how much pepper you want to use or to put in there. And also, this is optional. You can add sugar in your adobo while it's boiling. Okay, so for right now, while we're waiting, you can cover that. Let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes and turn the heat on low so it doesn't burn. Okay, so now it's boiling. We just want to check on it. Stir it around. You just want to make sure that the chicken is fully covered in soy sauce. I have my little assistant Brayden over here.
I make sure does it burnt.
You're making sure it doesn't burn? Okay. So it's not ready yet, guys. So we're gonna cover it again, let it simmer. It might take more than 30 minutes because these are chicken wings. So you know it takes a little longer to cook because it's got bones in it. Another thing, guys, add 1 cup of water just so the soy sauce doesn't taste as strong. Okay, guys, so now our chicken is ready. We're gonna put our Asian red hot chili pepper in here. Okay, you just want to let it boil or cook for a little bit. And it's going to give it a good spicy flavor. So now this is ready because if you can see, the meat is tender. It's falling off the bone now. So now it's time to put it in our dish bowl. Alright, so guys, our spicy chicken adobo is ready. Okay guys, so this is our Filipino spicy chicken adobo wings. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this video and give me a thumbs up.